today's video we're doing an unboxing of Key Australia's sunglasses. So this is coming from a buy one get one free sale. So I ordered a pair for me and also a pair for my best friend. She's todo chiflada, you know what I mean? She's spoiled, but she spoils me back and we love each other, and that's how best friends are. So I ordered me a nice pair. I already have it open. I'll definitely show you guys. But first I wanted to show you the pair that I got for her. She picked this one out. This is in the style called Harper, but I got permission for her to do a review just to show you guys what the packaging looks like. So each individual sunglasses came up wrapped just like this. And it does come with like a little sunglass protector, so you can protect your beautiful nice sunglasses. So as you can see, the arms are individually wrapped here, and then the sunglasses part as well. And then the logo, it says be sunny, stay shady. What a motto. And then of course the label, Quay Australia. So it's spelled Q-U-A-Y, but it's pronounced Key. So again, with her permission, she did say I could, we're going to try these babies out. So she got a cat eye style type of sunglasses. So my face is round, so it's really hard for me to find the right pair of sunglasses that are going to fit just right. So I'm really curious what these are going to look like. Ooh, damn. Okay, dang. Okay, these are actually really cute. They're not my style, but these are really cute, I'm not gonna lie. And these pair of sunglasses also feel really nice and good quality as well. And the sunglasses that I ordered, they are great quality as well. So again, this is the style called Harper. And this is what they look like on a round face. Now my best friend has a oval shaped face, so this is going to fit her face perfectly. But these are still really cute. I'm not gonna lie, I would actually order a pair of these for myself. So this is gonna go back in the bag because we're going to ship this out to the best friend. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the sunglasses that I ordered. So I was very excited. So I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of the Key sunglasses, if you know what I mean. So these are in your face attitude, like don't touch me, don't talk to me, like not gonna lie. And the style, this is called the Key Mini in black fade. So these I had to have because I saw another YouTuber do a review and I was like, okay, bam, I'm getting these. Ooh. This is the don't talk to me, don't bother me, don't interrupt you, don't even get near me type of sunglasses, and I am living for it. They have these in the style like a black and then also a rose gold color, but I decided to go with this pair just because I feel like it can go with almost any type of outfit they have on. Plus they look hella badass, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I freaking love this type of style and it fits my round face perfectly. So again, finding sunglasses for my round face is very difficult because they can either be too big or too small on my round face. But these feel so comfortable and I highly recommend the Key Minis. If you guys are wanting to try it, just buy it. So the price for these are $65 and then the price for the other sunglasses are $55. But again, it was a buy one get one free. But these are so cute and amazing good quality. I have been wearing these nonstop since I've gotten these. Alright you guys, so that is it for my video. If you guys like these type of unboxing videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. And then let me know what style you prefer, whether it's the Harper, which is the first pair, or the Key Minis, because the Key Minis I'm obsessed with, like not gonna lie. Definitely worth the money. Alright y'all, till next time. Bye. Mwah.